Hello students, it's me Shiva. This is the first video regarding your accountancy subject, and this is the first video regarding share capital. And here I will teach you the easy steps to remember those journal entries in the share capital chapter. Okay, because in exam time it comes for 10 marks. So firstly you have to know the shortcut keys to remember those journal entries. So the first journal entries regarding that is the receiving entry, second is adjustment entry, third is due entry, fourth is receiving entry, and this due receiving entry will be continuing. Okay, and this due and receiving entry will be continuing. In the school you have seen that first of all you go to the school regarding your first admission procedure. Right now you will be some students will be coming for the admission in class 11, arts less commerce less science, any stream. So you will be first coming to collect application prospectus, so you have to pay for that. So the school will receive the entry, that is receiving entry, your application I will collect. Clear? The next entry is the adjustment entry, then next entry is the adjustment entry of those application. Next entry is the regarding the receiving of application money adjustment. Clear? And the third entry will be the due entry. How will you know that you will be getting admission? Regarding the due entry of allotment, what is that? You will be getting the list where the selected students candidates list will be given, so you will be knowing that one. So this is the due entry allotment. Okay, due entry. Now due and receiving, firstly due entry then receiving, it will be continuing like that for allotment, first call, final call. So this is the continuation, like the due entry of first call, receiving entry of first call, due entry of final call, receiving entry of final call. So these will continue like that. Clear? These will continue like that. So here you see the receiving entry. Just now we have learned the receiving entry and then adjustment entry. You have seen right now. So receiving entry, what's the receiving entry? Bank account debit to share application account. Okay, to share application account. Here you see receiving entry is same for all those. Okay, application and then allotment and then first call, final call. It's same for those. Bank account debit to share application account. And then if it's regarding allotment money receiving, then it will be to share allotment. Okay, if it's first call, then it will be to share first call. If it's regarding final call, to share final call. Okay, the receiving entry is same like that. And regarding adjustment entry, the first thing you have learned in the second step, that is share, that is the adjustment entry of what? Application money. So you see share application account debit to share capital account. This is the adjustment entry regarding share application money. So now what about due entry? The word will change. This word will change. Suppose due entry of allotment, then allotment, due entry of first call, then first call, due entry of final call, then final call. The name will change, only the application. To share capital, where those money will be adjusted or due made, this is share capital fund. Okay, and you see these entries are being done in behalf of the company. Suppose I am an accountant of company, so I will be maintaining like that, not on the behalf of shareholder. Please remember, this is on behalf of the company. These are the journal entries made on behalf of the company. So these are the simple steps in my first video. So thank you. Please do watch my video.